In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Zoom meeting passcode incorrect error, which many users encounter while trying to join a meeting. We'll go through several solutions to address this issue, ensuring a smoother experience the next time you connect to a meeting. Firstly, it's essential to double check the passcode you've been given. Make sure you've copied it exactly as provided, paying close attention to spaces, capital letters, and special characters, as these can often lead to confusion. If you're using a direct link to join, verify that the link already includes the passcode, which you'll notice as pwdxxx at the end of the URL. Secondly, updating Zoom to the latest version could be your next step. Sometimes outdated Zoom applications cause passcode or joining problems. Whether you're on a desktop or mobile device, it's a good idea to ensure your app is up to date. For desktop users, click on your profile and select Check for Updates. If you're on a mobile device, head to the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS to update the app. Next, if typing the passcode manually has been problematic, consider using the direct meeting link shared by the host. This often means you can bypass entering the passcode manually. The link might look similar to this: https://zoom.us/j123456789do pwdxxx. Use this whenever available to simplify the process. Another method to try is clearing your cache or restarting Zoom. For mobile users, go to Settings, then Apps, select Zoom, and choose Clear Cache. If you're on a desktop, restarting Zoom and attempting to rejoin might resolve the issue. If these steps don't work, you can ask the host to resend the invitation. Sometimes the host updates the passcode, but participants aren't always informed. Request the latest meeting link or passcode directly from the host. Additionally, be aware of autofill issues. Some browsers or devices might automatically fill in old passcodes. Manually delete the passcode that's been autofilled and retype the correct one to ensure you're entering the most current information. If the problem persists, try joining from a different device. Use your phone, tablet, or another computer to see if the issue is device specific. Lastly, if you happen to be the meeting host, confirm the passcode setting in Zoom. Go to the Zoom web portal, click on Meetings, then Edit, and check that the passcode option is enabled. If necessary, regenerate the meeting link and distribute it to all participants. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the Zoom meeting passcode incorrect error effectively. Hopefully, one of these solutions will work for you, allowing an uninterrupted and seamless meeting experience.